Hey nerds, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to turn your opinions into cash? Well, today I'm going to share with you an awesome way to make some extra cash on the side using Connect Cloud Research. Connect Cloud Research is a fantastic platform that connects you with paid research studies. It's super easy to use and can be a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. So if you take a look down here, all you have to do is sign up, take surveys, and then you'll earn cash. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an account. So head over to the Connect Cloud Research website and click on the sign up button right here. From there, you'll find the sign up page, and the important part here is that you are going to be a participant. That means you're going to take studies and make money. So, of course, you'll need to register your account. You'll have to put in your first and last name, your email address, and then you'll make a password. And you can put in a phone number, you don't have to. And then it'll just ask how you heard about us. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, Twitter, or you can just put in your own email address. Once you've signed up, you'll be asked to fill out some basic profile information. So this is what helps Connect Cloud match you with studies that are relevant to you. You wouldn't want to be like someone who does manual labor for work, but taking surveys about being a manager at work. So this is very important to get surveys that relate to you, that are much easier to complete, and in a timely manner. As you can see, I've got some more questions to answer. These do pop up as you go. I filled it out completely when I first signed up, and then I've gotten more and more questions as I have completed other surveys. So the more detailed and accurate your profile, the better your chances of qualifying for high-paying studies is. So take your time and provide as much information as possible. I'm serious, answer every single question it asks you. And once your profile is set up, you can start browsing available studies. So these can range from online surveys to product tests and even focus groups. The best part? You get paid for your time and opinions. And the length of each of these studies also varies. There's always an estimate right here. I tend to take studies that are 5 minutes or less because I do these in between work at my job. So when you find a study you're interested in, you'll simply look over here on the right side and you will click on it, follow the instructions to participate, and make sure you complete the study thoroughly to ensure you get paid. This right here is part 2 of a survey that I completed 2 weeks ago. You'll click view, read the instructions, and then click start up here. Once you hit start, there will be a timer that starts to count down, and you'll just have to complete the survey within the time allotted. This does vary based on, you know, how long the survey is going to take. So looking over here at the left side of the screen, you see the menu. I've got my dashboard, which shows me which surveys are available to take. I have project history, which shows which surveys I have completed. I have payouts. It shows you my earnings, and actually over here on the right side at the top, you can see I have a 5-star rating and your balance. If you click on the balance, it will also take you to this page. You also have conversations if you're sent, messages from the people that are asking you to take these surveys, or if you have questions that you want to ask the researchers, you can ask that. And then again is your About You section for your profile questions. So I'm actually going to attempt to cash out here. As you can see, I have accumulated $38.28. And if you'll look at my history down here, if I go 100 per page, you can see that I started this June 8th, 2024. I did my first survey, and in 1 month, almost exactly, my last survey that has pended was approved. Actually, I didn't take it. It was approved on July 9th. So in 1 month, I've gotten almost $40. You can look at that as I tend to fill up my car with gas about once a month, and that covers that. So it's a great way to just earn a little bit of extra cash, and then it is wholly dependent on how much you put into it. If you do every survey, you'll get more surveys. I don't tend to take the longer surveys because I just do it in between my free time. But I think about $40 a month is great for a little extra side hustle without too much effort. But let's see if we can cash this out. All right, so I've gone back to my payouts page. I'm clicking withdraw earnings. I would like to do PayPal. And I'm going to link my PayPal over here. Okay, and I have just entered my PayPal credentials. It is sending me a code to verify that it's me in a separate window. Great. Okay, so my PayPal is linked. I am withdrawing the full amount, $38.27. And confirm. So there we have it. They have initiated the transfer of $38.27 to my PayPal account. And right here, actually, that was instantaneous. I literally just clicked withdraw on Connect Cloud and I logged into PayPal, and there it is right there. Amazing. And that's it. It's really that simple. Connect Cloud Research is a great way to make some extra cash on the side, and who doesn't love getting paid for their opinions? So what are you waiting for? Head over to Connect Cloud Research and start earning today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, nerds, and I will see you in the next video.